checking out the garden, and I've got all sorts of stuff poking up here, but let's come over here, and I have no clue what this is. I'm not sure. I haven't looked it up yet, but I have no clue what that is. Out here in the garden, and we've got a surprise snowdrop. I did not plant this. I mean, I probably did on accident, but I did not purchase this or mean for this to pop up in my garden. But just a nice little surprise. We've got the ferns still there. We got all sorts of other things popping up here. I'm sure these are mostly irises. But, yeah. This part over here is not netted. Most of it is because of the critters. Got something else popping up over here. Very nice. Yeah, definite surprise snowdrop there for sure. Get a better look underneath. Oh, there's a little heart. Look at that. Little green heart. How nice. Oh, there's one on each side. How cool. Oh, that's really cool. And then these here, these are not irises, these are grape hyacinths. They should be. But we've still got a ways before anything else is really going to start popping. Ooh. I think these are daylilies, purple daylilies. I think this might be a allium or something popping up, possibly a tulip. But I've got more of those back here. And there's some creepy Jenny in here. Now I've got a hyacinth in here somewhere. I should unbury this a little bit so that hyacinth doesn't have a problem coming up when it wants to. But we'll see. It's the garden right now.